Body cameras are becoming increasingly more common with today's law enforcement, and not surprisingly, they're finding their way into corrections as an integral tool. Incidents on the street also occur in the corrections space, including false allegations. We're going to look at an innovative body camera that has a unique feature that has a calming effect on people and improves transparency with inmates. I'm Lieutenant Josh Gilliam, and this is the Innovation Zone. Local jails and correctional facilities all over the world are using body cameras to achieve the same benefits that law enforcement agencies are obtaining from their body cameras in the field. Studies have found that body cameras can improve behavior since encounters are recorded and officer procedural compliance improves as well. Reveal has developed the D3 body camera, which features a unique front-facing screen. Not only does this provide a calming effect on people being recorded, but it can be used for video playback without the need for a smartphone or a PC. The screen also has the capability to be turned off when the need arises. The articulating camera head is another unique feature of the D3. It can be rotated and tilted for optimal recording, which allows you to wear the body camera anywhere without losing critical details. By rotating the head, you can use the D3 body camera as a handheld camera for searches or tabletop interviews. Recording is a breeze with one-touch sliding switch recording. It's easily accessible, and correctional officers can easily slide the switch down to initiate recording. And speaking of recording, the D3 body camera has ultra-low light recording performance using technology that surpasses other body cameras on the market. Couple this all with 12-hour recording time, and you have a body camera that can meet the needs and demands of your correctional facilities. The D3 body cameras come with the DEMS 360 software, a digital evidence management solution that can store and manage all of your digital evidence in one place. DEMS 360 can handle body camera footage, audio, documents, and pictures for efficient evidence management. I'm really impressed with the D3 forward-facing screen, articulating video head, and one-touch recording. These features allow your officers maximum flexibility with a variety of situations, as well as improving safety and compliance. When I pick up the D3, it's extremely rugged and well built. It reminds me of something that I would have when I was in the military police. It's extremely robust. It's obviously designed to take a drop or a fall and continue to work and operate. For smaller correctional facilities, Reveal has a special package with the DEMS 360 software installed, external storage, a docking station, and the D3 cameras. It's all plug and play and ready to go right out of the box. Be sure to check out Reveal D3 body cameras. For the Innovation Zone, I'm Lieutenant Josh Gilliam. Thanks for watching.